What's up guys, Ruski Tech here, and welcome back to another tech review. I make tech reviews weekly, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I drop a new video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4. Alright guys, so I have the Apple Watch Series 4 here. I went with the gold aluminum case with the pink sports band, so let's get right into it. Alright, so what I really enjoy about these packages is that they're really easy to open. All they have is just this tab. I was about to go get my knife, but instead I really enjoy the fact that they just have this where you just peel it off. And it's super easy, just rip off the little plastic finish on it. I'm really excited about that. I really enjoy those. And so, yeah, oh my god. This thing is huge. This is my first ever Apple Watch unboxing, and I don't know if they're supposed to be like this big. Really, I've actually never seen. I've seen an Apple Watch box, and I've never seen them be this big. So I don't know. There's like additional features in it. Maybe they, changed up their boxes. I guess I don't know. But as you guys can see, I went with the Series 4 gold aluminum case, 44mm size, and so this one's bigger, and so I'm a little skeptical on how big it will be on me, hoping that it won't be too huge. But yeah, I noticed on the back here it says Apple Watch is not a medical device, and I thought that was hilarious just because of how many medical features they added on into it, and with the ECG and the fall alert and everything. So I really thought that was hilarious how they really specified that it's not a medical device. So it looks like we just have these two tabs right here. So I'm assuming we just open it up. Yep, it looks like they just slip off. Ooh, clean, very clean. So, ooh, I like that branding. Oh, so this is the actual box. I didn't realize, what, is this new? I don't think I've seen them like this. Or they just have the different watches, different bands that they have, different colors. What? I've actually never seen a box like this. This is really awesome. I didn't realize they made like a whole new, brand new thing. I've never seen this green band that's over here. It looks kind of like olive green. I might have to look into the bands. This one looks like a Project Red one. I really want a red band. I think that would look really cool. But look at that. Ooh, comes with the band underneath it. Nice, just comes separately, but all in one package. I really enjoy that. So anything underneath it is just a little thing. Cool. So I really like this. This is really cool. This kind of like little thing that they got going on here. What? I don't know why I'm really enjoying this. This is actually, I like this. I like this box a lot. I'm gonna have to keep this. All right. So we've got the actual watch here and we've got the band. So let's get right into the watch. I like that a lot. Usually, I don't think they had this before either. So, looks like we just open it up right here. Oh, look at that. Right there. Looks like we've got the charging brick right here. And we've got the charging cable. Looks like you just set it on there. Magnetic and all that stuff. Oh, that's awesome. Alright. So, we've got the actual Apple Watch right here. What is this? It looks like it comes in like its own little thing. Okay, nothing else in there? Cool. So it looks like it comes in its own little enclosure, which is kind of weird. Is this like its own, looks like its own case. So you just take it off. Ooh, I like this. I'm obviously keep this. This is really nice. I mean, it looks like it's actually meant for it. Look at that. Look at that. So it kind of still looks rose gold-ish. I don't know if I'm a fan of that. Ooh. This is sleek. Really clean. I don't even want to touch it because of the fingerprints. I like that. I like that a lot. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go with, instead of that pink sports band, I'm gonna have to go with a black band. Maybe even a white one just to see how it looks. I'm not a fan of that pink. It doesn't really fit me, but this looks awesome. So, got that pink sports band right here. Let's open this bad boy up. So, pink sand sports band. I might even go with that gold, I think it's that gold metal band. I think that one looks really nice, really nice. So it looks like it just comes out like that. Nice, just says watch. Works for me. So I think a lot of these are, I think not a lot of these, all of these are universal, so they'll work with any Apple Watch, I'm pretty sure. So did they just give you, oh, so this is small and this is large. I also didn't know they gave you that. That's awesome. This band looks really nice too. I might have to rock this for a couple days. I really enjoy how it looks. Oh, that's really tight in there. Ooh, let's pull this out slightly. There we go. That's in there. These are heavier than I thought. I think it's the ends of them, but they feel a little hefty. That looks good. That looks really good. I do like the gold aluminum case. Pink watch, or sorry, the pink band isn't really doing it for me, but it's looking good. What do you guys think? That's fresh. If you guys did order an Apple Watch, let me know what size and what color you guys got, and I'll definitely look at you guys' comments. Look at that. That's fresh. I really like this. I'm gonna have to play around with it. I'm definitely gonna give you guys more of an in-depth review of the watch and go over the features, go over like what's included, what they updated, watchOS 5 and everything. Really go over all of that. Give you guys more of an in-depth review. This is more of an unboxing video. Small little video just to, you know, show you guys what's inside. I might have to go with a different band. I might try out different bands and give you guys a review on them. But this is awesome. I really enjoy these. I might have to go with the large. I have kind of big wrists, but oh well. That Apple Watch looks fresh. This is one of my first Apple Watches and smartwatches in general that I'm actually going to be using and keeping. And as I mentioned earlier, I think I'm going to replace that pink sports band with maybe a black one and see how it looks with the gold and black. If it doesn't look that good, then I think I'm going to go with just a whole separate color in general. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Peace out.